Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this perfect updo for fairy hair in DTI. So if you're ready to level up your Fairycore looks in DTI, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the most magical updo hairstyle for a fairy theme. So here, let's just start it by going to the hair salon. So for the first one, use this hairstyle and toggle it into bangs only. This one. And second one, use this one and again toggle it to only bangs. And here I forgot to tell you to change the color. I'm going to use these colors right here also for the first hairstyle. And next, let's use this ones right here, and again the color, make it the same. For the next one, use this one and use the same color again. And lastly, go back to the top. This one is right here and toggles it into no bangs. And this is the final look for the fairy updo. So guys, that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.